Hello everyone. Now today we are going to study about in Mahini English classes class 9th supplementary moments chapter 4 in the kingdom of fools. First I will tell you the theme, summary, then significant stages in the story, then different characters and so on. Now what is the theme of in the kingdom of fools? The story theme is that one should not be tempted by things devised by fools. Means we should not be attracted by those things which are given by fools. However attractive they may seem to be. जितना भी वो चमकता हुआ दिखाई दे या बहुत अच्छा दिखाई दे, तब भी हमें we should not be tempted by those things. In the kingdom of fools, the foolish king and his ministers make foolish laws which the people have to obey for fear of death. Okay, now like in offices, we have to fear our boss. Why? Because he is the head of it. Whatever he or she says, we have to follow it. In the same way, however the king is, he is good or bad or what, the whole kingdom have to follow that rule, whether it is for the benefit or in the negative way for the people in his kingdom. In the same way, here the king and his minister used to make certain laws which were foolish, but even then the people in his kingdom have to follow this. When a guru and his disciple reach there, the guru decides to leave because he understands that such a place can be dangerous. Now, those guru and disciples have moved away from that place because they have understood after some time watching the king and his people, his ministers, they left that place because that place was not good enough for them. They have understood this thing and that is why they left that place. The disciple does not leave. And gets into trouble. At times, our parents used to explain something to us that we should not do this, we should not do that. But what we do? At times we don't listen to it, and after some time we are in trouble. So in the same way, the disciples of that guru have not gone, and that is why they have been in trouble in that area. Later, he and his disciples are selected by the people of the kingdom to become the king and the minister. And by the end of the chapter, we will see that the king and the ministers are removed and the guru and his disciples were elected as the members because they were clever enough to understand, because they were able to understand the mood of or the problems of the kingdom. जैसे हमें जो पसंद नहीं होता हम उसको चूज नहीं करते हैं, और जो हमें पसंद होता हम उनको लाइक करते हैं, जिनको हम उनको इलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, चूज कर लेते हैं. इन द सेम वे द पीपल ऑफ दैट किंगडम हैव चोजन द गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल देयर किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर्स. नाउ वी विल सी द समरी. The story is about a king and his ministers who didn't want to run the things like other kings, but that they wanted to be special in another way. They wanted to be different. So they turned night into day and day into night. Means they have changed the living. That during the day we used to work and during the night we used to sleep. But what they have done, they have made that rule that during the day they should take a rest and during the night they have to work. They ordered the people to till their fields and run their business only after dark. Means after 6 or 7 or 8 when it gets dark. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was broad daylight, but no one was around. Because the rule was that in that kingdom, that during the day, they have to sleep, they have to take rest. They were not allowed to come out of the house, and in the night they have to work. So when the guru and his disciples went in the village, in the place, they saw that nobody was there. They wandered around the town till evening, when suddenly a whole town woke up and went into its business. The two men bought some provisions at the grocery store and were amazed to how cheap everything was. Everything cost just to do. Okay, now here the king has made this rule to get up in the night and do the business. So they have to do. And what the Guru and his disciples saw, that the things were cheap enough. The Guru knew that it was not safe to stay in such a place. He knew that it was a kingdom of fools where anything might happen. He told his disciple that they should leave, but the disciple decided to stay on because of the cheap, delicious food. Now here, the decision was made by the Guru because he had understood the things that this is not the right place for them to stay. So he ordered his disciples to leave the place, but the disciples were not agreed to it because they saw that the things were cheap enough and there were delicious food. So because of these two reasons, they wanted to stay back, so they stayed back. One day a thief broke into a rich merchant's house, and as he was fleeing with the loot, a wall fell on him and killed him. One day what happened? Because in the night everyone was out, so the thief can take the things easily. So when he went there, the wall fell down and he was killed. The thief's brother went into the king and demanded compensation. Compensation means जैसे आपकी कोई चीज आपने किसी को दे दिया, उसने खो दी, तो उसकी कॉम्पोजिशन में आपको अगर उससे पैसा लोगे या उसी के बराबर की कुछ चीजें लोगे, तो कॉम्पोजिशन मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ taking the thing, you take another thing. Or you can say, if somebody has lost your thing, you ask amount or something same like that. The king summoned the owner and told him that since it was his wall that had fallen on the man, he was guilty and must be punished. Means the wall of the king's rich merchant. So the king ordered him to give the amount to that person. The merchant laid the blame on the bricklayer who had built the wall. Now here you see one after the other. जैसे अगर कभी हम कोई गलती करते हैं, हम अपनी गलती नहीं मानना चाहते, तो what we do? We put our blame on others. The other one put the blame on the other, and like this the chain is there of blaming each other. So in the same way, the rich merchant blamed the brickman. When the bricklayer was brought and accused, he laid the blame on the dancing girl who had walked by and distracted him from his work. When the girl was called and accused, she laid the blame on the goldsmith who had made her walk to his house many times. He had not completed making the jewelry she had asked for. Now here you see one after the other, they are blaming each other. When the goldsmith was summoned, he was called, he put the blame on the rich merchant who had demanded his jewelry to be made first, as there was a wedding in the family. The king called the merchant, and though the merchant wailed that it was his father who had ordered the jewelry, the king decided he was guilty and ordered his execution. Means in the end what we see, that in the end the king decided that he was guilty, and that is why he has to pay the compensation of it. A new stake was prepared. As it was being sharpened, it occurred to the minister that the merchant was too thin to be fit to stake. He conveyed this to the king, and it was decided that they would substitute the merchant with any man who fitted the stake. मतलब वहाँ पे एक अब क्या हो रहा है, अब merchant को change किया जा रहा है. Servants were set out to search for such a man, and they came across a disciple who had fattened himself with food, good food. Fattened means अपने को खा के मोटा कर लिया था. So the people, the ministers, searched that. The disciple was brought to the executed, terrified. Terrified means डरा हुआ. अब उसको अभी ये चीज तो मालूम नहीं थी. He didn't knew, so he thought that I have done something wrong, and he was scared of the king. He set up a silent prayer to his guru. The guru, who was all-seeing and had magic powers, responded. He came to the kingdom and whispered his plan to the disciple. Then he addressed the king and told him that as a guru is greater than his disciple, he should be sent to the stake first. The disciple could be executed after him. The disciple pretended to fight with the guru, saying that he should be executed first. Means जैसे हम छोटे हैं तो हम चाहते हैं कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमसे बड़े वाले को दीजिए. तो इन द सेम वे हियर द डिसाइपल हैज put the point that he should not be appointed, his guru should be appointed. The king was puzzled, confused हो गया, and demanded to know why the guru wanted to die. The Guru took the king aside and told him that the steak had been prepared was the steak of the God of justice, and that whoever will be the first to be executed on it would be reborn as the king of the palace. The next to be put on the stake would be reborn as the minister. He added that he and his disciple were tired of leading the life of ascetics and wanted to enjoy themselves as king and minister in their next life. Matlab, here there was a plan of Guru to become the king. The king did not wish to give his kingdom away in his next life, so he postponed the execution till the next day. At night, he and his ministers disguised themselves as the Guru and the disciple and were taken to the stake and executed instead. Left without a king, the king chose the Guru and his disciple as their next king and ministers. All the old laws were changed and the kingdom was no longer a kingdom of fools. Now by the end we see that the Guru was and his disciples were appointed. And now the kingdom, the rules of the kingdoms, the laws of the kingdoms were changed now. Now there are certain significance we will see. Now there are different significance. First is the king and his ministers make strange laws in the kingdom of fools. That means he made laws that in the daytime they should sleep and in the night time they should work. And due to this, the things were cheap enough. Second was the Guru and his disciple arrived in the city. One day the Guru and the disciple arrived in the city and they were surprised to see that nobody was there during the daytime. And they were astonished. To their astonishment, they find that everything cost was the same. Even the richest food is available at one dudu. Okay, now that means the things were cheap enough. The food was cheap enough. So that is why they wanted to stay there. The Guru foresees that things can easily go wrong in the kingdom. Now here the Guru, as Guru knows everything. They know the magic to know the future. So he also knew that something is wrong and they should not stay here. So he ordered his disciples to come with him, but they refused. The king, fourth is the king gives a strange verdict to the merchant's case. Now verdict means उसने order दिया. अब यहाँ पे क्या था? क्योंकि thief के ऊपर wall गिर पड़ी थी. Then the thief brother went to the king and asked for the concession of his brother. So what? Because it was the house of the merchant, so the merchant was called. Now the merchant blamed to the brickmaker. Then the brickmaker blamed to the dancing girl. Then the dancing girl blamed to the goldsmith. And in the end, we see that the king himself was confused enough. The disciple, then fifth point is the disciple finds himself a tragic situation. Tragic situation means वो फंसने की condition में आ गया था. Why? Because of eating food, he has become fat enough and he didn't know what to do when the king will call him. When the king called him to his kingdom, he was scared of what to do. So to build the execute the merchants is too big for him. So here the disciple was confused. Then sixth point, the Guru arrives with a plan. The plan to become the king and his disciple as ministers to change the law of that kingdom, which was odd enough because the king and his ministers were fool enough to change the laws which were wrong. Then seventh is the Guru's plan works. Now what was the plan of the Guru? The Guru tells him what? Tell the king that the person's dying first and the second on the stake will going to be reborn as the king and the minister. Means he had a plan that he told the king that whoever will become the first on the stake will die first and the second one will remain in the next life. So he changed. The king and his minister don't want anyone else to take their place and decide to get executed in the palace of the Guru and the disciple. Eighth point is the kingdom gets new rulers. Now, the king and his ministers were fools enough, so they were not able to understand the plan of Guru. So what was the outcome of their plan? That they became who? The Guru and his disciple became the king, and the Guru became the king and the disciple became the ministers, and now they have changed the different rules. whatever the rules were made by the fools. Okay, now these rules have been changed. On discovering that the king and the ministers have been executed, the people are worried about the kingdom's future. Because in any kingdom, if there is no king and ministers, the जो प्रजा होती, जो लोग होते हैं, वो worried होते हैं ना, to whom they will go for justice. The guru and the disciple are about to leave, but agree to take the place of the foolish king and the silly ministers. Means they were ready to take the place of the king and ministers on the condition that they can change old laws. क्या शर्त रखी उन्होंने? They will be, the guru will become king and his disciple will become ministers only when they are allowed to change the rules which were made by the fools. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.